Hey, welcome back. Welcome back here to Big Apple Stacker. I have a mail call, quick little mail call, two packages. I haven't done a mail call in a couple of weeks already. I've opened up a couple of other packages, but these two packages. This package here is from famous person we all do know, Plumber Stacker. Plumber Stacker, there we go. Plumber Stacker. Oh, he has this. I'm going to kind of just open this up. Um, get rid of that phone call. Pull that phone call a little later on. That fell into a little hole there. That fell into little Steve's hole. Going to kind of open this up. Let's just open this up. Man, I know what this is anyway. This is not going to... This is a... This is a... This is a... This is a trade dollar. Folks, this is a trade dollar. 1878 trade dollar. Not bad, huh? Let me take it out of this capsule because I actually wanted to see how good it looked in without this capsule. So, this is a very beautiful trade dollar. There you go. It's going to focus. This trade dollar, I think, has been cleaned. I was actually talking to Plumber about it. He had another one that had a little um, dent, like that was right around there. Um, Pretty neat little trade dollar. Focus, focus. And maybe it's going to focus like this. Yeah, it's going to focus like this real quick. So there you go. It is a San Francisco trade dollar. As you see, let me just bring it up here this way because I like holding my coins this way. So there you go. So pretty neat trade dollar. I'm gonna get something to even hold this, but let me bring up the front again. This will be going into my Dance Co album book. Still a lot of good details on this coin here. Very good detail. Move the light this way. Not bad, good detail. Not bad. These trade dollars are very expensive, so they are not cheap trade dollars. Um, it's a very fine trade dollar, but there you go. It's going into my Dance Co album. This one here I got from Lemonhead, which we all do know. Big Apple Stacker, thank you for your support. I think this is a sticker in here. It will be going up on my sticker board. But let me just show you the sticker here. There you go. There he is. Nice card. Nice postcard. Sticker. There you go. It's going up there. Very nice. Thank you. Gonna be showing what I picked up from him in a minute as soon as I get everything cleared out off my desk here. Get rid of that. And get rid of a little over here. And we got what I got here is some currency. You guys don't know that I do like my currency. Something I picked up. It was really expensive. I couldn't even believe that I picked it up for that price. But anyway, silver certificate. Nothing major. It's gonna go to the album. It was only 20 bucks. You know, I'll fix this little, move it out, put a pin, and move this out, stretch it out, make it look thoroughly. Things like this, obviously this is a 1923 hard card, so, but there you go, folks. I picked up two little items there, and my trade dollar I got. So, Big Apple signing out. Oh, yeah, if you like the video, hit that subscribe, hit the like button. Big Apple signing out.